I am here today to introduce to you someone who has been doing a lot of work for all of us. And she is she's familiar, everybody here is probably familiar, but for those who are not, this is Queen Quack. She's chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation. She's traveled all around the world telling people about who we are. She went to the UN to speak for us. She is a folklorist. She's a teacher. She's just everything that you can imagine that we need in order for the word to get out about who we are. I would like for you just to honor Queen Quack by just standing. Thank you.
Been in the storm so long. I've been in this storm so long, crying, Lord, Lord, give me more time for pride. I've been in this storm so long. Oh, this your hard needed time. Oh, this your hard needed time. Crying, Lord, Lord, give me more time for prize. I've been in this your storm so long. Good afternoon, everybody.
Afternoon.
How all of them do? You do well? Belly full now. I'm complaining of things now, so don't fall asleep, yo. You need them to tell them to keep quick and things like that. So you know, you get together, lay your nap first, and y'all like to go take nap. Ain't no time for that. So you have to make it stand up, kid. You understand? So we're so glad today y'all one more again in Wilmington, North Carolina. But especially, you're in sea breeze. This is my first time there, you're in sea breeze. We've been downtown plenty of different time and things like that to the church and things, and all kind of other rest of things down to y'all little, well, I call y'all dock, or y'all call y'all waterfront. Okay? Down yonder and all of that. Done gone out on the Jubilee, done gone up the creek yonder and back, everything like that. But we did from down in South Carolina, from St. now. Some of you doesn't know about Paris Island. People will say, well, I ain't know about St. Nobody know Paris Island, but it's right next door, like that. So when Hunter know but me, that's where me did from. That's where my whole family did from. St. Helena, Parney-Warney, and Dr. Island and things. So we know plenty things but the creek. Because my great-great-granddaddy them and all of them used to build boat, like that boat with the Arjuna, as well as the Bateau boat. But also sew cast net and all that thing, and used to do these things for generation and generation. So all the way down to my daddy, brothers, and all of them, and my mom, all of them, we go out in the creek and things like that. So it catch crab, get shrimp, mullet, whiting, all that thing like that. And so he used to do some by spinning the crab, and all the rest of the time he got one of them crab pots, you go on yonder and get that. And so people will pull each other trap and dig now, and they'll keep the crab and then they'll put meat back in them and tell them, I'm sorry, I can't use it. And all that thing comes to down them. So we got at least a problem, but at least they let you know. They didn't work out. You know? And I'm damn about to think, oh, you know about them. And so great fun, my trap ass, I'm thinking of, yeah, I've been carrying, but see, in the pool when I've been down there, well, who tell you damn and carry your house? Everyone carry, bring the person out, you know who trapped them is. But anyway, so we still a whole bunch of culture and things like that. So I'm so glad to see so much of her children the other day. Because plenty of time when I come in here before, they act like all of y'all wouldn't know about the culture and been wrong no more. So I'm glad to see you with me on one arm, you see. So people are trying to tell you one thing, but I don't hold to what all the rest of people tell me. When God tells me something, I go after that.
That's right.
So now who taught you?
My dad taught it. Speaking with my dad.
Okay, and what was your dad's name?
Joe Powell.
Joe Farrell?
Yeah.
Okay. And so, what kind of boat did he have? He had the same kind of skiff too? Okay, and where did y'all go out from?
Well, from right there on the other side of the waterway right there, all up and down this coast, fishing the grass. Well, we used to call it, run around the grass and get in there and beat the fish out in the net, and take the net up and then go up for a little puff and do the same thing, get fish up and down the coast.
And so when y'all first learned, the nets y'all were using look like what?
A long, that's a gill net, long.
The long ones, right?
Yeah, be about 35 matches deep.
Okay. And people used to sew them by hand.
Yeah, right.
So did any of y'all know how to sew it?
Oh, yeah.
How many? Raise your hand if y'all know how to sew. How many? Okay. Excellent. Now let me ask, when the last time you sewed one?
There you go.
Last year?
Yeah, we hang our own net, put them in the line.
Okay. Excellent. Excellent. How about you?
Well, it's been a while, but you know, my father was a commercial fisherman, and we were brought up around the water. That was part of the deal. You know, you had to do a little bit of everything.
Everything. That's right.
We didn't have the money. They didn't have the money to go to the man to buy net.
Right.
They had to mend it. You sit there and you watch it. Eventually, they give you the needle. And hey, then you can go to work.
Right. That's right. What's your name?
Eric Atwood.
But I'm gonna tell you the truth. If these rich folks, they killing the poor merchant people. They want to catch the fish and don't want the merchant people to catch them. They want to catch the fish. I call it this our land, the raising born up and down the coast. Here I live in Raleigh, Durham, or Charlotte, nothing still anyway, and gonna come in and tell you how many fish you can catch. Just cut the, they just kill it for them. I'm glad y'all are having this meeting. I wanted to come down and tell y'all how they're doing it.
Well, yeah, and that's exactly the things that we need to hear.
I grew up around the water, Masonburg Sound.
Okay.
And we fished and crabbed and did all that stuff and clammed all our lives. So I grew up around it.
So it was just basically the natural to you?
Yeah,
Because the whole family did it?
yeah.
Your mom too? Okay. So where did you get the clam from? Same side? Okay. And so what time of year y'all pick clams anyway?
You can do that all year round.
All year up here? Okay. You ain't got to wait till no specific time. And so how are clams now up in this region? Plentiful or scarce?
Them kind of scarce, right?
Yeah.
It's scarce now?
Yeah, they got, well, you can't catch clam, they got it closed up. And they say about killers, all these docks and stuff, they got these pads and
I see
stuff.
that, yeah.
Okay, they don't want you to clam. They want to keep you away, but they want to keep you at least 100 feet away from them.
Why?
But they go out there and catch them. The people own them docks. They go out there and catch them.
Right, I got
But like us, they ain't got no license. It cost me just $175 a year for license. And they can go out there and catch them for nothing.
Because they got a dock.
Just because they got a dock and don't want us to go around it.
So
So
now,
we don't mind them having the dock, but
Right.
just let us, what they gonna keep us from catching? Just let us catch a clam up and down the coast, let us catch a clam.
right. So what they do if they see you actually out
They'll
there?
call the wildlife people, we call them the game warden, come in,
Yeah.
right, and give us.
Good.
If they catch us again, the warn us the first time, but if they catch us back in there again, they'll give us a ticket.
And how much is
Not-
the ticket normally?
Ticket running about $135 and $50.
Wow. Wow. And that's just because they caught you by what, a so-called private dock?
Just cause they let them people come out from their houses and go out there and
And go
catch.
out.
There's really a lot of things going on here that it's just like a continuous fight. It's a continuous fight, and I think they're hoping that one day they'll wear us all down. You know,
And you give up.
and you just give up.
You can't do that. And like the Bible say, where there is no vision, the people perish. And so we definitely have to be visionaries. And I'm glad that all of y'all came. I mean, this is a blessing to me.